Okay, next topic. Depression means like a antidepressants drugs. Yesterday finish of the antipsychotic, today antidepressants. Main what is meaning of depression? Here, depression, it is a mental illness characterized by pathological changes in mood. See, not all US also sometimes will get to the sometimes depression because of now continually studying and continually whatever thinking about anything. That time also you will get of the depression. Depression is one of the like mental illness and characterized by whoever thinking full and depression have missed that person sometimes pathological changes in mood, automatic physiological how no same like that pathologically means like any conditions, depression people's getting up any health problem, any conditions, that time they also get the depression and changing of the mood because of any conditions. Here like pathological changes in mood and loss of interest. Whoever in depression people's, that time total loss of interest, pleasure means no relaxation of, no peaceful to the mind, and feelings of guilty feeling. The depression people have to the guilty feeling and low self-worth. Low self-worth means no values of the selfly. Means at least yourself, some people have the self-respect, self-knowledge, self-confidence. But here, these people, depression people not have to the proper self-worth, like a self-values not there. What? And disturb sleep means whoever in depression people, that people's not sleeping properly because of depression. It means they'll think of the something na, that time nobody will sleep properly, and appetite they not get the hungry, and low energy, that people's not taking properly food na, that time depression time, that's why they'll get to the low energy and poor concentration. They can't keep to the any concentration. In case example, you have any personal problem, that time you anything you want to concentration in the job and concentrate the study means, that time you can't keep proper concentration because of you have personal problem. In personal problem only you are in a depression, that time how you can keep concentration? That's why depression people not keep the proper concentration, like a poor concentration, and it can be severe and sometimes fatal. This is depression is one of the severe means very dangerous of the problem, and fatal means death. Whoever in depression, that people will get the severe problem, otherwise they will death. That is a depression. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, classification of antidepressants. Main here 5 classification. Tricyclic antidepressant, SSRI. SSRI means selection serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. And MAO, monoamino oxide. Monoamino oxidase inhibitors. These are the 2 drugs. These 5 classification also reducing of the depression. This is a like a drugs names. And atypical antidepressants, newer antidepressants, the different of the classification of the medications. In now we will discuss first one, tricyclic antidepressants. Like in that first one drug you see imipramine. Now we will discuss about the imipramine. See, imipramine is one of the antipsychotic drug and phenothiazines. This is a one of the drug is a antipsychotic and antidepressant drug also. Main this drug useful of the depression. Whoever in the depression, that time this drug very useful and treat of the depression. And it is a pro-type drug of class tricyclic antidepressant. This one of the drug in the class of type of the tricyclic antidepressant. Tricyclic antidepressant means this also one of the classification in the antidepressant. That's why this drug also related in the tricyclic antidepressant. Main this drug it's also used to treat nocturnal enuresis. Nocturnal enuresis means nighttime passing of urine. Means nighttime they can't control the passing of the urine total bedwetting. Because of depression, peoples they can't control bladder control. That's easily passing of the urine in the bed. That time total bedwetting. That is a natural NUCs, nighttime urine passing. And that time whoever passing up the urine like that in night time, that time imipramine useful and controlling of the external enuresis. Main this dose imipramine dose 50 to 150 mg daily. Daily orally you can provide up the 50 to 1 mg, 150 mg. That is a imipramine. Next, imipramine mechanism action. Once you are taking up the that drug, once the imipramine drug inducing of the body, that time what the drug reaction showing inside of the body. Here, inhibit the reuptake of neurotransmitters. Reuptake neurotransmitters means that transmitted information giving to the one neuron to another neuron. See, depression people, they can't get the information. That neurons also, nerves also very damaging. That time not give proper information inside of the body. Once imipramine drug entering in the body, the depression peoples also will get the information anything in the body. Means like neuron to neuron. And they inhibit serotonin, norepinephrine, dopamine, reuptake at presynaptic nerve. These all are hormones drugs. This all is the hormones drugs. This main reuptake of the synaptic nerve. Synaptic nerve means this is synaptic between of the spinal cord and brain. The synaptic nerve is like a between of the spinal cord, brain cord, neuron to neuron space having called as a synaptic nerve. This synaptic nerve increasing of the concentration of this transmitter in the synaptic cleft. Means this drug is a main increasing of the concentration in the neurons. Once concentration of the in the neurons means automatic neurons transformation of the information one neuron to another neuron. Because of why like the transmission of the information means because of imipramine increasing of the full concentration. That time automatic they'll reduce of the depression. And this main imipramine takes up to 4 weeks for all tricyclic antidepressant. Tricyclic antidepressant means like it's one of the imipramine classification. This drug you can take up the 4 weeks and antidepressant to have an effect. Whoever affecting of the depression peoples, that peoples will take up the continue up to 4 weeks of the these drugs. This is a mechanism of action. Next, types of depression. Main 5 types. Major depression, chronic depression, atypical depression, bipolar disorder or manic depression, and seasonal depression. Here, major depression is severe. Whoever thinking more and otherwise whoever getting of psychiatric disorders, that time they will get to the major depression. And chronic depression, long period have the depression. They have any personal problem. In case not solving of the problem, any family problem, any education problem, financial problem, that time they will get to the depression. Sometimes they'll chronic depression means long period have to the depression. That is called as dysthymia. Next, atypical depression means full totally they will get to the depression. And bipolar disorders means like 2 disorders. Whoever have to the 2 disorders, that people will get the depression about the disorder. I have 2 disorders, what happening, how will control, like this so much of things, so much of the thinking of the everything about the problem. That's why they'll get to the so many disorders. And that time overaction means manic depression means overactively they will get depression. Yeah, I know everything, don't know anybody, I know everything, like the doing of the overactivity peoples. Manic and bipolar disorders, whoever that persons, that is a affecting of the depression. And seasonal depression means situational, particular situation only they will get to the seasonal depression. This is a types of depression. Next, symptoms. What main symptoms have to the depression peoples means depressed mood most of the day. Particular day they have to the mood depression. Depression mood having the most of the day. And markedly damaged interest or pleasure. That people have total diamonds. Markedly damaged means loss of the interest and pleasure. Means mind relaxation, mind relief also not have the properly. And significant weight loss and gain. Sometimes some people will get the weight loss and sometimes they will get to the weight gain. Insomnia, lack of sleeping. Insomnia means lack of sleeping because of their depression. That time they're thinking they can't get the sleep also. Lack of sleeping and hypersomnia, excessive sleeping. Some people's full in depression, automatic they will sleep also. See, insomnia have and hypersomnia have. Next, agitation. Agitation means like a fear, means anxiety, like a fever, fear, anxiety. Agitation means anxiety. Whoever in depression, they will show in the on the facial expression like a anxiety, excitement. That is a agitation. Next, fatigue or loss of energy. Fatigue means like a lethargy, very low energy. Like these depression peoples also fatigue and loss of energy have to the symptoms. And remaining four symptoms, change in appetite. Some people's not get the hungry properly. Again, they want to take up the more food. Sometimes they can't take properly food. Like these changes of the appetite. Lack of concentration. They can't keep the proper concentration because of they're in a depression. How they will keep up concentration? That's whoever in depression, that people's total loss of and lack of the concentration and poor self-esteem. Self-esteem is self-value, self-respect, self-confidence. This and all total poor. Poor of self-esteem. Because of depression means that time nobody will use up the proper self-knowledge, self-skills, self-confidence. That's why they will get to the poor self-esteem. Next, thought of suicide or death. In depression, people's how thinking and thoughts like a suicidal attending who will die. Like that, they will think of they will get the thoughts type of these thoughts like a death and suicide attending. Like this, having of the symptoms of the depression. Indications when you want to provide of the antidepressant drugs. Major depressive disorder. Whoever have to the major severe depressive disorders, that time you can provide to the antidepressant. And anxiety disorders. Whoever anxiety disorder, panic, fear about the any problem, fear about the disorders, and OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. OCD abbreviation, obsessive compulsive disorder, meaning repeated behavior. Example, 1 minute they doing 1 minute hand washing, again after 1 minute, again about means repeated of the activities and habits. That is a OCD. And eating disorders, eating disorder problem, and chronic stress, long period have the stress, and post trauma like a PTSD, post trauma, traumatic stress disorder. Post traumatic stress disorder, they have any trauma problem, again they will get to the stress. Like this disorders, whoever like this have any disorders have to the depression peoples, that time you can provide the antidepressant drugs. Next, contraindications. You don't provide to this contraindications. Whoever like this contraindications, 4 points, whoever have means that time don't provide to the antidepressant. Why means uncontrolled pre-existing hypertension. They can't control to the proper hypertension. That time you're giving this antidepressant means they will increase of the full blood pressure. That time they will die. That's why uncontrolled means not controlling hypertension time, don't give to the antidepressants. And chronic liver disease, whoever drinking alcoholism and whoever have the long period of liver have the disorder. One minute. Okay, next medications. Next, medications on previous slide. Whoever previously using of medications, that time also don't provide. Already they're using of the some medications na previously, and suddenly you are giving antidepressant means they will get to the some problem. That's why whoever have the hypertension, whoever have the chronic liver diseases, whoever have the major eating disorders, whoever using of the previous medications, that time don't give and don't provide to the antidepressant drugs. That is a contraindications. When not provide to the, that is a contra indication means when we will provide, that is a indications, contraindications, differentiation. Next to therapeutic users, main these drug users, imipramine drug users, severe major depression, like a same whatever have symptoms now, like that. Whoever have to the severe major depression, that time useful of the imipramine drug. And phobic and panic anxiety disorders, whoever have the phobic like fear and anxiety disorder, that time you can provide the imipramine. And neuropathic pain, how getting, that neurons, neurons between brain and spinal cord, that like neurons means like a nerves connection in the brain and spinal cord na, that nerves once damage and injury get to the nerves in between spinal cord and brain, that time you will get to the nerves pain. Automatic you start up the headache and back pain because of that nerves connection of the spinal cord and brain. That time suddenly getting of injury in the nerves means you will get to the neuropathic pain. Next, obsessive compulsive disorder. Already I told now OCD like a repeated behaviors. One minute doing hand washing means again they're doing like this, and like a hygiene people, so like a repeated whatever repeated behavior. And next, nocturnal NUCs, night time of passing of urine. That time, imiframin has been controlling of the bedwetting into the children peoples. All children people's night time passing of urine in the bed only. Like because of like this, one of the problem to the children's in the older than 6 years peoples. 6 years age peoples. That's why that time we can provide the imiframin control of the bedwetting. And by causing contraction of the internal sphincter of the bladder. Why they're passing of urine night time means because of internal sphincter of bladder. Internal sphincter of bladder means bladder in a urinary bladder. In bladder inside part to small hole. Like a sphincter means space, like a hole. Inside of the bladder small hole is there. That's why in whole area getting of the passing of urine. Their control means immediately they will pass of urine because of hole is there. That's why they can't control of the urine. That's why nighttime bedwetting. Once imiframin drug giving is automatic, that sphincter closed. That is a therapeutic uses. Next, adverse effects like a side effects like dry mouth. Whoever taking up this drug, sometimes they will get up the side effects like symptoms: dry mouth, constipation, blurred vision, they can't see properly. Mydriasis. Mydriasis means excessive dilation of the pupil. Means excessive dilation of the pupil eye. Inside of the eye, black color is there. In black color ball inside pupil is there. Like a some brown color. Like the different color, brown, gray, black. Means snake eyes you see na, snake eyes and cat eyes, like the different peoples also have. Here more dilation of the people eye means that time they will affecting of the eye problem. In imiframin drug also main side affecting of the like a dilation of the people eye. Next, metallic taste. Metallic state means mouth taste. They can't get to the proper taste in the mouth. Whatever they're eating, not get the proper taste because of imiframin. And urine retention. They can't control this imiframin. They control of the urine. Means you passing out, you want to pass off urine means that time you can't pass properly because sometimes adverse effect in showing up the imiframin. Urine retention means like a control of urine. And drowsiness, like a feeling like a sleepiness, lazy, like a no energy properly. And sedation, like a sleeping, the imiframin drug they'll give to the get the sleep. And weight gain, continually taking up imiframin, whatever you see na, some people taking up more drugs means they'll get up the weight gain. Like this also imiframin drug taking daily means they people also will get the weight gain. And next last one, nurses responsibilities. Main nurses responsibility, monitor for adverse effects. You can whatever adverse effects I have na, like a hypotension, suicidal thoughts, and cardiac arrhythmia, etc. Whatever now we'll discuss na this one adverse effects. Whatever this have to the any persons, that time the you can nurses you can observe to the adverse effects. After evaluate patient understanding of drug therapy. Whatever drug you providing to the patient, you can explain to the patient. Means actually explain to whatever symptoms we can explain get here na drug and monitor patient complaints to the drug therapy. Once once nurses providing of the drug therapy, what they have the complaints of means what any actions, any effects in having or not about the drug therapy. This and all nurses you can observe to the patient. This is a imiframin antidepressants drug. Understood? Anybody have doubts? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am. Thank you.
Tell me, Sangeeta.
Ma'am, mechanism of action is second point.
Wait. a minute. Okay, second point. See, may they inhibit serotonin or non-epinephrine or dopamine reuptake at presynaptic nerve terminals that lead to increased concentration of this transmitter in the synaptic cleft. Main what is synapse? First of all, synaptic cleft. Synaptic cleft means this is a separate space having to the between two neurons. The space and junction having to the between two neurons are means this synaptic cleft what doing help nerve impulse pass from one neuron to another. Whatever information this synaptic cleft means synapse nerve is a transformation of the information one neuron to another neuron. Because of how means here imiframin drug action inside of the body means the time that nerves also synaptic cleft synapses nerves also relaxation and full concentration means increasing of the concentration. That's why information transferring whatever information transferring of the one neuron to another neuron. These hormones also helpful to the in the synaptic cleft time. That is a these hormones are related imiframin drugs increasing of the concentration and between space having to the new two neurons. In case see imiframin drug not providing me that time very less concentration, that time no information to the one neuron to another neuron cannot pass to the anything. That's why imiframin whoever in depression that time neurons not working properly on inside of the person means in that neuron places also. Depression people they can't use of the depression people they can't work of the proper neurons. Once imiframen taking of the depression people, that time these hormones and neurons also getting of the more increase of concentration, automatic whatever impulse total passing of the one neuron to another neuron. That is the main important of the imiframe to the particular synaptic cleft. Okay now.
Yes, ma'am.
Who's that? I am not listening your voice not properly. Hello, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, that's
ma'am.
it. That's anybody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Ra. Thank you. Bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.